Here's the Big Ass Fan Haiku L series. Find a camera stand for this. Oh no, not a perfect camera stand. No! This is what happened. Focus camera, there we go. Perfect camera stand. Here's the L series haiku again. It's a this one is like more like sold at most stores. Fan. So let's start on speed 1. So I got here's the remote. It looks similar to the one that's in the 60-inch I series. I have to use the camera stand because, like how I do on my tester, because I have to do spin down and all those things. I need 2 hands. That's what other collectors do. So there's, by the way, speed 2. I have to hit it twice to respond. Speed 2. Speed 3. I'm gonna go through DC speeds. This is a DC fan. Speed 4. Speed 5. I thought this is a 6-speeder traditional DC fan, but 7 speeds. 6 speed. Usually DC fans are right around 6 speeds or 7 speeds, but Fanimation creates special ones that are 31 speeds. Speed 7, by the way. The haiku fans are 7 speed, but the regular Big A fan HDLS fans, they are super. They go. I gotta look at my camera because I want them to run out of memory again. They're 10. The Big A fan HDLS models, they're 10 or 20 speed or 11 speed, but the haikus are 7 speed. Man, it's gonna stop quickly. I'm gonna try point the fan remote at the fan. 3. Speed 1 reverse. Reverse speeds. Speed 2 reverse. Like the last videos, I didn't use a camera stand. But this is the better remake with the excellent remake with the camera stand. Speed 3 reverse. I hit speed 4. Speed 3 reverse. I know there's a restaurant in where that mall I went to in Delray Beach that had like these in black, 3 of these in black, but most of them are I series. But inside the restaurant, they have Fanimation Brewmasters. Speed 4. Speed 4 is the highest speed for reverse, by the way. Doesn't go really fast. I forgot to do an airflow test. Let's just stop it by hand. Oh, I can't stop by hand. Shoot. I'll let it stop because of the DC fan. Tap my camera around, maybe. Whoosh, push button. I like to get up to speed. It takes a while to get up to DC fans to get up to speed. This is a 0 to high too. So I do with DC fans is do speed first, forward, speed reverse, then 0 to high. Like how Dance 50 Newman does it. Let's take a look at it. It's getting up to speed for a long time. I'm going to do an airflow view. Yeah, I've got to the light. I'm going to do it. The light was already on. I thought this fan had no light for some reason. And yes, that is it. That is the Big Ass Fan Haiku L series. There's another one. There's a 16-inch I series in there. The remotes look identical. Should focus. Yeah, the remotes look identical. Focus on the fan. Focus. Focus camera. Thanks for watching.